Morning dear students, class 7 English grammar. Today we will study our second chapter, the noun case. So in this chapter we will study about the case of noun. So that is the noun case. We will not study about the pronoun case. So here what is noun case? You can see the first of all you can see the definition of noun case. The case of noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. So noun case, either noun case or the pronoun case, both tells the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence. So here we will study the position of noun in a sentence. It tells about the position of noun in a sentence. So here what is the position of noun in a sentence? In that way we will study, that is the subjective or nominative case, objective case or possessive case. So here it has three kinds. Cases has three kinds. First is the nominative or subjective case, second is the objective case, and third is the possessive case. So in this case we identify where the noun is placed in a sentence and what is the position of that noun. If in a sentence the position of noun is before a verb, that is the nominative case or subjective case, or it is placed in the object of the sentence, that is the objective case, and if it shows the possession, that is the possessive case. So here with one example you can understand which is the possessive, which is the nominative case, where is the nominative case and where is the objective case. Suppose one example, Tom hits John. Tom hits John. So in this sentence, two nouns are here. First is Tom and second is John. And here hit is verb and both are noun. So Tom is the subject, hit is the verb, and John is the object of verb. So in this sentence, Tom is noun and that is the subject of the sentence. So that is the subjective case or nominative case. And here John came after the verb hit. So that is the objective case and that is noun. So that is the noun objective case. And what is possessive case? So sometime one example I am giving, I took John's book. I took John's book. So John is here noun and in the word John, apostrophe s is applied, so that shows the possession. John's book, because that is the book of John. So here in this book, John has the possession. So that is the possession case. So first of all, we will see nominative case or subjective case. So any noun or pronoun that is the subject of a verb. As I told here, that is the subject of a verb, that is verb and that is the subject of a verb. So is said to be in the nominative case or subjective case. In example you can say, if any noun comes in the subject of the sentence, that is the noun subjective case or noun nominative case. So here the Brahmin bathed. Who bathed? The Brahmin. So bath is here verb and the Brahmin, that is the noun. So that is the subjective case or nominative case. In second example, Krishna went to Varanasi. So here who went to Varanasi? Krishna. So Krishna is noun and came before the verb in this sentence. That's why this is the nominative or subjective case. Here You can see the second, that is the objective case. Second is the objective case. So as I told here, what is the objective case? So first of all, you see the definition of objective case. Any noun or pronoun that is used, that is the object of a verb. So when any noun comes after the verb or object of a verb, so that is the objective case. Here you can see the example, the police arrested the thief. So here arrested is a verb, and after the verb the thief came, and the thief, that is the noun, so that's why that is the objective case. And before the verb the police, that is the nominative case or subjective case. So in second example, he bought a digital camera. So he bought a digital camera. What is the verb here? And after the verb a digital camera, so that is the objective case, and he is the subjective case. He threw a stone. So in this sentence, threw is the verb, and after the verb a stone came as an object of a verb, so that is why it is objective case. Number third is the possessive case. So what is possessive case? Here any noun or pronoun that shows the possession is said to be the possessive case. So any noun or pronoun that shows the possession. Possession means adhikar. So which shows the possession, any noun or pronoun which shows the possession, that is the possessive case, or the case that answers the question whose. That answers the question whose, that is the possessive case. In example you can see, this is Rama's book. Whose book? Rama's book. So here Rama and apostrophe s is applied. Apostrophe s is applied with Rama, so that shows the possession. So that is the possessive case. And in second example is that your brother's bed. Whose bed? Brother's bed. So here also in apostrophe and s is used with brother. So that shows the possession, and that is possessive case. In third example, my uncle's house is a long way from here. So here uncle's house. Whose house? Uncle's house. So uncle apostrophe s, that is the possessive case, because s apostrophe s is used in the noun uncle, so that is why it is the possessive case. So in this way you can understand kinds of cases: nominative or subjective case, objective case, and possessive case.